DFM is a famous Chinese automotive company. Its headquarters are located in Wuhan, Hubei province. It was founded in 1969. After 45 years of development, DFM has become China's #2 automaker by sales volume and top 10 player in the world. In 2013, with its 177,000 employees, vehicle sales over 3.54 million units, and total revenue of $74 billion, DFM ranked number 113 on the Fortune 500 list. DFM springs from manufacture of military vehicles. In 1975, DFM launched its first vehicle, a 2.5-ton off-road military truck. It has undergone many tough tests and military operations. And with its first model's excellent performance, in 1980s DFM had a great growth in commercial vehicles market. In 1986, the annual produce capacity achieved 100,000. In this year, DFM began to produce Cummins B-Series diesel engine, which was the first cooperation project between DFM and foreign famous companies. In 1992, DFM established a joint venture with French PSA Group, signs the first stepping into the passenger vehicle business. Besides cooperation with PSA, DFM successfully carried out joint venture and cooperation with other famous automakers such as Nissan, Honda, Kia, Renault, Volvo and Yulon Group. In March 2014, DFM successfully purchased 14% stocks of PSA Group and becomes one of the big three shareholders. Currently, DFM's civilian vehicles business included full range of passenger cars, commercial vehicles and spare parts manufacture. As a vehicle supplier for China Army, DFM has 5 series off-road vehicles and more than 100 models. EQ 1093 4x4 series, EQ 2070 4x4 series, EQ 2082 6x6 series, EQ 2102 6x6 series. These 4 series vehicles have advantage of high reliability, maintenance simple, and cost-effective. They're suitable for military materials and soldiers' transportation, modification for special purposes. EQ 2050 4x4 series, a high-mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle with armoured and unarmoured versions, features more on mobility, flexibility and security. Integrated with the world's advanced technology and DFM military vehicle expertise, EQ 2050 has gone through 6 years of research and development with 75 units of test vehicle, 200,000 hours of bench test, and 1,600,000 kilometers of road test. Since the launch of the vehicle, it has been a qualified model for modern wars and military operations with its powerfulness, mobility, applicability, supportability, transportability, security, reliability, and durability. Comparing with Humvee, out of 15 main parameters, Dongfeng EQ 2050 is superior in 12. To list a few, an EQ 2050 can run at a working temperature of 9 degrees C higher than a Humvee. The total suspension travel of an EQ 2050 is 35% longer. An EQ 2050 fast-moving parts enjoys 2.6 times longer life. Its maximum speed can reach 131 km an hour, 16% higher than a Humvee, due to the use of a new CAN electric control. Acceleration from 0 to 80 km per hour is 20% faster. Fuel consumption 41% lower. Dongfeng EQ 2050 has solved 6 international major problems, achieved 9 breakthrough technologies in military vehicles, and been awarded 10 patents for invention, 92 for utility models and 8 for designs. In Chinese Army, Dongfeng EQ 2050 has become the first third-generation high-mobility vehicle, the first third-generation mobile tactical platform, the first combat system integrated systematically with equipment, helped the military to achieve sustainable development and global advantages. DFM is well aware that its globalization strategy would not be realized, and it would never become a lasting brand unless it maintains independent development and participation in international competitions. To become a global advanced automotive enterprise, we raise 3 great targets: achievement of Century Dongfeng brand with sustainable development, international Dongfeng enterprises with global competitiveness, independent Dongfeng development with reform and opening up. Feng Motor Corporation. Care for everyone. Care for every vehicle.